Matt from Fourbie Sessions Australia. One of the things I'll be putting in the car today is an Idrive. Idrive Australia sent me one of these to do a bit of a review. So I've heard it's really simple to plug in, so let's give it a go. So in the box comes with everything you need, instructions, a little wipe for you to stick on the double-sided tape, which is already on there, which is awesome. That's the part that you connect to your car, which is pretty simple, just clip straight in. So I'll undo all this. So what you need to do is slide that out, pops it up, so perfect. Idrive on, plug the other end into the Idrive itself. Put these two in. Let's go on. So just got to set it up for the vehicle. 1, 2, 3. 0 is for manual. 88's for auto, which is what I've got. So literally that took 2 minutes to do. Let's go see how it drives. So I've just got it in economy mode. Just want to see. So yeah, you can definitely feel it's a lot laggier. So let's give it a go. Let's change it over to, yep. It's the same throttle position, just on a different mode. Jesus. What a difference. I didn't think it'd be that big, but oh my god. So go into auto mode, so it's just auto mode's good. Yeah, put your foot down, he goes. So what do you think of that?
Epic. Heaps big difference.
Really? Did it scare you?
A little bit.
Is your neck alright?
I don't know, I think I got whiplash.
Idrive throttle controller. Easy to install, literally took like 2 minutes. And the difference in the modes is absolutely huge. I'm blown away by it. Highly recommend them. Give them a go, because this nav is super aggressive now. Don't forget, hit subscribe and the little bell so you get notifications. And I'll see you around.